Howdy everyone. I've got my grill heating up. I use charcoal sometimes, not too much. This is one of those rare times that I do. I just don't have time to mess with breaking some of the twigs I have from over there and over here in these piles for kindling. But that's okay. I got this firing up. I'm going to be doing some Santa Maria style chicken thighs tonight. They're boneless, skinless. I've got them seasoned up and ready to go on. I'll be cleaning this grill here in a few minutes as soon as I get this on. I've got right here, I've got some maple and some peach wood. Some of my mixed hardwoods that I have. Anyway, stick around. This will be great. Not going to be a very long video, but because it's cold out here, I'm going to go inside every few minutes. Anyway, stick around, everyone. All right. Well, this is great. This is perfect now. Nice and hot. Got my chicken here that I've dusted with my spices. This is just a simple garlic and herb. I'm getting pretty good at using this camera at the same time. Well, there's sometimes where I'm working on that drift, but that's all right. Getting kind of dark out. We're on what I call stupid time. Where it gets dark at 5 o'clock. Between 5 and 5:30. I absolutely detest that. But yeah, I'm gonna let these go for a little bit, and we'll be back. All right, this cook is really going nice. You can see. And just so you know, this fire feels really good out here. It's cold. It's really cold. But look at that drip down. Oh, so good. Dripping down on those red embers and coming back up. Flavor City. Magic flavor. Gonna be some good chicken tonight. Just so you know, I'm making this for chicken salad. I'm gonna put some into some strips and it's going on the salad. That's my dinner. Kids will probably just eat it as is. This is my 18.5-inch Gabby's grill. Santa Maria attachment. Really nice. I think this thing will outlive me. Made so good. I use mine during winter, those of you that know me. Anyway, I'm going to finish this up and I'm going to pull them and taste test them to go inside. Maybe I'll taste test out here. We'll see. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay close. Oh, I'm still out here. This fire just feels so dang good. Thought I'd do one more quick video before I pull them. One more quick segment. Everything's looking really good. Sizzling goodness. Nothing burned. Santa Maria chicken is my favorite way to have chicken. My favorite method. I'm not much into the shredded pulled chicken thing. It's fine if you like that with smoking. It's okay. I've had it like that before. It's cool, but this is my favorite. This is home. I am home with this. Just wanted to show everyone how good this is looking. Too bad you guys can't smell this. The one advantage I love cooking with Santa Maria is the wood. Wood's where it's at. I don't know if anyone of you guys have had a chance to cook like this, but it's an incredible flavor. I've been doing this almost my whole life, since I was 13. So this is how I grew up. This is what I do. Cooking with wood is a lot cleaner than just burning charcoal. It really gives a distinct flavor, and there's nothing like it. If you have a chance, pick up one of these grills. These really are, a lot of people say these are kind of expensive. Let me tell you, these are the poor man's Santa Maria. But don't let that fool you. These are made well. You guys got to try this. Give this a try. Talk to you a little later. Bye. All right. Well, I pulled these off. Beautiful color, gorgeous, not burnt. Here's the grill. Man, I hate to waste this, but too bad I can't just freeze this thing in time, you know, and use this later on. But hey, that's just life of grilling and barbecue, right? But anyway, let me, if any of you have any suggestions on that, no, besides water, forget it. Anyway, here is my Pitmaster privilege. I'm going to try this piece that I've cut off. Oh man, this is going to be some good salad. Mmm. Oh, folks, I thank you for joining me. I'm going to go inside. Even though this pit is nice and warm, this chicken is so dang good. I'm going in. I'm going to eat. This is wonderful. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope everyone has a good night, and stay safe out there, okay?